In this tutorial, we will discuss the features of Screen's main search results page. If we look in the top left-hand corner of the page, we can see that I am searching Screen HG19 for candidate regulatory elements in human. I am searching on chromosome 11 in the vicinity of hemoglobin gamma subunit 2. The results of this search are displayed in the search results table at the center of the page. Looking at the lower right corner of the table, I can see that this search has produced 93 results. These are defined by default as candidate regulatory elements with a DNA C-score of at least 1.64 and at least one cell type. This represents the top 5% of all DNA C-scores. I can narrow my search results using the facet controls at the left-hand side of the page. Let's suppose that I were interested in searching for candidate regulatory elements active in the cell type K562. I begin by typing K562 into the search box at the top of the cell type facet. To select K562, I simply click its row in the table. In the rightmost column, the four-colored box displays the data types which are available for this particular cell type at the ENCODE portal. If I mouse over the box, I can see that for this particular cell type, all four major epigenomic marks have data available at the ENCODE portal. Selecting K562 has narrowed my search to 53 search results. These are now defined as the candidate regulatory elements with a DNA C-score of at least 1.64 in K562. The chromosome and coordinate facets allow me to adjust the region of the genome that I am searching for candidate regulatory elements. If I wanted to deselect chromosome 11 and select a different chromosome, I could simply click the X to the right of chromosome 11 and select a different chromosome from the list. The coordinates facet allows me to adjust the coordinates on the selected chromosome that I am searching. I can adjust the range either by dragging the handles or by typing values directly into the text boxes. Above the facet is a histogram which displays the distribution of candidate regulatory elements across the chromosome. Finally, I can use the Z-score facet at the bottom of the page to filter candidate regulatory elements based on their Z-scores in all of the four epigenomic marks. If I were interested in searching for candidate regulatory elements with promoter-like signatures, I could drag the left-hand slider for the H3K4ME3 Z-score to 1.64. When a cell type has been selected in the cell type facet, this Z-score facet filters candidate regulatory elements based on the corresponding Z-scores within the selected cell type. When no cell type is selected, the Z-score facet filters candidate regulatory elements based on their maximum Z-score in the particular mark across all cell types. We will discuss how to explore the search results in the search results table in a future tutorial.